So far so good. I hope you guys are liking of what I'm intending to do here. Now, to make it kind of like 3D or whatever, bam, 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 bam. Rocks. Never wrong. See? Now we have two mountains and a waterfall. Now, there's many ways to draw with paint. The reason why I left this white is because I'm going to put in something to separate this. For now, even later I will add different colors to it. So far we'll just go like this. Bam, 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 like that. So very easy, I think, for someone who has really low experience in drawing, but you're starting to get the idea of what I'm getting at here. And basically got a waterfall. Okay, there's something missing, I think, that I didn't do here. But like, where does this water go? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make some changes to, you're gonna grab a pencil, you're gonna go black color, and we're gonna do a line like this. Yeah, basically now we can fix this by clicking blue. Bam. Yeah, that's way better. Okay, I'm hoping you guys are liking what I did, but that level there, maybe this is better. Whoop. Bam. Like that. Okay. Alright. Please comment and subscribe on this video. There will be another video to this, I think, because it needs to be show more detail to be more realistic. Like my sun is only a circle, there's no clouds. In order to do clouds, you change this color to let's say blue, and select this one to blue or whatever. But you can use selection and go like this. Really are never wrong, because clouds, hey, what the heck. You see, sort of formula. You can do it even like that. Kind of like that. Ta 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 ta. Yeah. Bam, bam, bada bam. There's the clouds. Now we can change this color to blue like this. Now to make even better, like that, change these two like that. Yeah, you get the idea. That's clouds. Okay, now to do the sun more in detail, I'm gonna have to do this in another video to this one, because I think my time is up. I only record up to 5 minutes, so please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like,